I just wanted to make a short video to show Preview, Apple's Preview app, which is a PDF viewer, but it's also an image. You can handle JPEGs, PDF, basically all sorts of formats like JPEGs, PNGs, all your image formats. It's an image and document viewer, and it's also quite a good editor at it. Today's video is about with PDFs, organizing, splitting PDFs, pulling a single page out of a PDF, merging two PDFs, that sort of things. I'm going to make follow-up videos to show you some of the other features. To do the reorganization features of PDFs, what you want to do is make sure that you can see these thumbnails on the side, like I have here. If you can't see them, go to your view menu at the top of the page and just make sure you have thumbnails selected. Now you see I have these pages for demo with just numbers on them on the page, and you'll see I have 1, 3, 2, so that's out of order, and then then they continue on to 10. So let's just say that was a mistake, and I need to get the 2 in front of the 3. I can just select, grab this thumbnail over here of this page and just drag it in front of the 3. Now it's reorganized. Now they're in the correct order. You could drag these around and put them in whatever order you need them to be. It's actually just that simple to reorganize. If I need to get this one down, I can drag it down. It's that easy. Let's say I needed to get a single page out. Let's say there's something on this page 2 that I want to send somebody. Let's pretend this is a big PDF. I just want this one page. I don't want to send the whole document. What I can do is just grab this single page, drag it to my desktop. Now I have a single page PDF. And I can send that to my colleague or, whatever I need to do with it. Let's say I needed page 2 and 3. Just select them both by holding the Shift key. Now I have a 2-page document. But I guess it's a little better than that even. Let's say if I wanted page 1 and 3. Instead of holding the Shift key, I can select 1, hold the Shift key, the Command key, hold the Command key, and it's going to pick only the ones I click. I could even add page 4 to it. So I'm going to have 1, 3, 4 without 3. I have those selected. Just grab one of them, drag it to the desktop, and now you should have a 3-page document with the pages I selected. It skipped over 2. So you have a lot of flexibility of pulling out special PDFs. You can also merge pages. Let's say I have this test page here, PDF. Let's say this is a PDF that I need to insert into this other PDF. I can just grab it and drag it in. And I want to undo that because it was still had sometimes it'll still have the memory of the last document you had. I just deleted that. Let's do that again. There we go. Let's say I didn't want it, say, oh wait, I wish I would have put it at the top of the document. I can just grab it and reorganize it. If you're going to send this off to somebody else, and especially other than Mac computers, and don't hurry up and close it too fast. And even though this is auto-saving, you might want to hit that save button just to be sure that the changes are saved before you close the document and send it off to somebody. Let's say I decided I don't like this page, or let's say we had a page in the middle of a document now, and I say, you know what, this doesn't belong here. Let's get rid of this page. I just highlight that page and select delete, and now it's gone. So you see, it's actually quite flexible. I'm going to grab the last, let's say the second half of this document. Let's say I wanted that to be its own document. Grab it over here. Whoop. Now it's its own document. I have these 5 pages highlighted here. Let's delete them. Now it's just the original 5-page document. And let's say, oops, I didn't want to do that. Let's pretend like we just needed to merge these 2 documents. Just grab this one, drag it back at the bottom, and now you have the whole document again. So it's very flexible. And remember, this is not any third-party software involved in this. This is just built-in Apple Preview, the Preview app. No third-party software. This is much easier to do than it is with third-party software such as Adobe Acrobat. There's, it doesn't have constant separate updates outside of the operating system. It's actually quite powerful. I'm going to have some follow-up videos showing you how to use, the markup tools to edit PDFs, even sign PDFs, erase part of a PDF, or I'm going to have one on how to redact a PDF and make that secure. It's actually quite a powerful tool, but I just wanted this one to be the reorganization and keep it short. So thank you. Hey, if you like the videos, click like and subscribe. It'll help me out.